Hey guys, welcome, and today I have brought you the Mi Band 5. Now this device is pretty impressive and a good upgrade from the Mi Band 4. It's been 1.5 weeks I've been using the Mi Band 5 and it's really good, and it is the right time to purchase the Mi Band 5 because I've been a fan of the Mi Band watches, and since the 2, 3, 4 and there's the 5, and after 2-3 months since the release of the device, it is the all-time low price until the next, you can say, the variant is out. Now the Mi Band 5 will cost you about 30 to 35 bucks, depends on the region, the market, and there's also a good thing that Xiaomi has are selling the straps separately, and that will also cost you about 10 to 15 bucks, depends on the region. But it's a good thing though, because I had the Mi Band 4, the strap like holds onto your wrist that got cracked. Now other than that, the band is fine, but to be honest, the Mi Band 5 band, the strap is even much better in quality compared to the Mi Band 4. It looks much more sturdier than the Mi Band 4 that was a bit softer. In my opinion, this will last more than a year. Now talking about the Mi Band 5, now the physical and whatever you're seeing up front is that the OLED AMOLED panel in the screen is same, the brightness is just the same to the Mi Band 4. It was a huge upgrade from Mi Band 3 to Mi Band 4, but 4 versus 5, the brightness is just the same. Now the screen size is a bit increased, maybe like 10 to 20% from 0.95 from the Mi Band 4 to 1.1 for the Mi Band 5. Now the thing is, the battery has been reduced for this device from the Mi Band 4 had about 135 mAh to I think something about 100. So the battery life is, what I can see, is slightly reduced, but it can go through 2 weeks of use. I have done a setting every 1 minute of tracking my BPM, and it did a well job for about exactly 1 week, and rest everything settings also on. And then once it comes for the charging time from 0 to 100, it exactly charged to 1.5 hours. I was pretty surprised to be exactly accurate. 1.5 hours, 1.5. So it's really good. It's like a quick charge, and maybe even 1 hour charge, you'll have more than 50% of the battery being charged, and you can use it maybe for more than a week's time with 30 minutes BPM tracking. I've been using the Mi Band 4 with 30 minutes of tracking BPM, and it lasted me 2 weeks. This will maybe just below 2 weeks, but nonetheless it's a good device and I would really recommend this device. Now the last thing I would like to note, since the Mi Band 5 has made some major modification, one of those also is the charging port. Now the Mi Band 4 was pretty a hassle. You had to remove the device from the strap and it was quite problematic. Now the Mi Band 5, it has a magnetic charger, so it just snaps on the back of the device, which is really impressive, and I really am liking the way they have implemented. It's just like the premium smartwatches are doing, and the Mi Band 5 also followed up. Now other than that, the software wise, the smartwatch does come with a REM sleep tracking. That's a plus point, plus 11 sports mode tracking, so there are more modes of sports compared to the Mi Band 4. I think it had 7, and it does also have the PIA tracking. So this is something regarding for your heart benefit. It counts how much you do give stress to your body, as in terms to your heart pumping out, which is really healthy. It does track that. And I think the last thing, it can track your stress count, like is it low, middle or moderate or high. And there's also a separate section where you can also do breathing exercises. It depends, you can select from 1 minute to or plus. I haven't checked more, but I have did the 1 minute breathing exercise, and you have to follow how the pattern of the exhale and inhale And with that, I have tried it and it's really helpful and it does really relax you. Now this one at 35 bucks has got it now. Now again we come to the question, from all of this, would I still recommend Mi Band 5? Yes, from many other, not only Mi Band 4 upgrade to this version, any other device, smartwatches, smart bands at this price range, I think that's very worth to purchase that. I'm sure you'll be happy to buy this one. Nonetheless, what are your thoughts about this watch? Comment below if you have any queries, and please do give a like to this video and do subscribe this channel for more reviews, more contents and more news in the future, and see you guys in the next video.